Does the painting of interior trim frustrate you with its slow pace? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. After the break, I'll share a tip to speed up the process right after this. Is keeping out the cold on your to-do list? With Duck brand weatherization products, you can quickly and easily make your home more comfortable and efficient, saving you energy dollars along the way. Duck brand's affordable product line includes a roll-on window kit that comes in different sizes and strengths, including standard and max strength. These kits create a weather-tight seal with no hassle and no measuring. That's my kind of DIY project. To learn more and find a retailer near you, visit duckbrand.com. The trim or molding that you add at the end of an interior renovation project is kind of like icing on the cake. Base molding, chair rail, and crown molding help define and highlight all the work you've done. But painting these elements can be a time-consuming task. Here's a quick, efficient way to paint any wood molding. Before you install the trim, start by using a 3-inch wide paint roller to apply paint to the molding. The foam ones create a smoother finish. Then immediately backbrush the wet paint with a sash brush to evenly spread and smooth out the paint. Once the trim is installed, the only painting you'll need to do is touch-ups to cover the nail putty and caulk. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.